Good day, this is Rashmi and you're watching SK Live, your time, your news. Moving towards the headlines. Jaswant Singh dies at 82, PM Modi pays tribute. India's COVID-19 caseload nears 60 lakh, recoveries cross 49 lakh. Agriculture sector has freed itself from shackles, strong farmers will lay foundation of Atmanirbhar Bharat, said PM Modi. Moving towards the headlines in details. Former Union Minister Jaswant Singh, a close associate of ex-Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, died here on Sunday following a long spell of illness. He was 82. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other top BJP leaders paid rich tributes to Singh, saying that he served India diligently and will be remembered for his unique perspective on matters of politics and society. India's COVID-19 caseload neared 60 lakh with 88,600 fresh infections being reported on Sunday, while the number of people having recuperated from the disease crossed 49 lakh, pushing the national recovery rate to 82.46%, according to the Union Health Ministry. Farmers and the farm sector needs to be strong to lay a strong foundation of Atmanirbhar Bharat, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday. Speaking at the 69th edition of Mann Ki Baat program, the Prime Minister said that the country's agriculture sector has unshackled itself in a reference to the agriculture reform bill passed recently by the Parliament. With a single-day spike of 88,600 new COVID-19 cases, India's COVID-19 case count neared 60 lakh mark, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday urged storytellers to include all inspirational stories from the period of foreign rule as the country will celebrate 75 years of independence next year. He urges all storytellers to include all inspirational stories from the period of foreign rule, especially between 1857 and 1947, all small and major incidents. Following the closure of schools due to the COVID-19, Odisha government has come up with an idea to hold Radio Pathshala to teach students of class 1 to 8 in the state. Around 250 women from Madhya Pradesh Angrotha village painstakingly cut a hill over a period of 18 months to build a path for water to make its way into a pond in the village which was struggling to deal with water shortage. Engaged in a conflict with China for almost 5 months, the Indian Army armored regiments are ready to take on the Chinese army at altitudes of over 14,500 feet in the area, which is the world's highest battlefield for tanks and infantry combat vehicles along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Mobile phones of actors Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh and others have been seized, a Narcotic Control Bureau official informed. Director-producer Karan Johar has squashed the news reporting claiming that narcotics were consumed at one of the parties organized at the filmmaker's home, calling the allegations false and baseless. On Friday, Johar shared a lengthy statement on Instagram saying that neither he consumes narcotic nor does he encourage people to use any such substances. It was a happy weekend outing for his team Kolkata Knight Riders, but skipper Dinesh Karthik had no qualms in admitting that he needs to up his own game after failing again in the IPL here. Young Shubham Gill shone with an unbeaten 62 ball 70 as Kolkata Knight Riders overwhelmed Sunrisers Hyderabad by 7 wickets for their first win. That's all for today's news. Keep watching SK Live.
आपके विजुअल एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए SK Live ही बेस्ट ऑप्शन है। SK Live का इस क्षेत्र में 24 घंटा टेलीविजन, एंड्रॉइड ऐप और वेबसाइट पर प्रसारण होता है। सोशल मीडिया पर भी हम उपलब्ध हैं। हमारी व्यूवरशिप 9 लाख से अधिक है। सिक्किम, हैथवे और NXT डिजिटल पर, दार्जिलिंग और कालिम्पोंग में दोनों हैथवे और CCN सेटअप बॉक्स पर, क्लामपुर से लेके मैनागुड़ी हैथवे पर, सिटी केबल पर सिलीगुड़ी और आसपास, नक्सलबाड़ी से पानी टंकी तक NXT डिजिटल में। तो सोचिए नहीं, कॉल करें 7908554308।